Hey there, Michael Lichter for Dennis Kirk's blog, and I'm in Muskogee, Oklahoma. That's what they tell me. That's what they just told me because I have no idea where I am. I'm looking backwards all day, and of course we don't know where we're going until we get there. But here we are, and I got two people I want you to meet today. What, can you tell me your names?
Chris Dixon.
Billy Richards.
Okay, Chris and Billy. They're from Columbia, Missouri, and I just thought it was really neat because Billy's helping Chris here with his knuckle. What knuckle you got here?
Oh, yeah, this is a 1947 FL. So
Very cool. And they look so happy going down the road today. I took a bunch of pictures of them, and I just thought that was awesome to see them. And in talking to them, I said, did you just meet or meet on this trip or before? And why don't you tell a story about how you know each other?
when I was a child, Billy lived across the street from my parents, and he always had these neat old motorcycles and that flathead up on top of the hill that he's riding on the chase. Actually, I used to watch him as 10 years old, watch him ride it up the road, going off and doing whatever he's going to do. So it was just neat. And then later on, I got into motorcycles, and then he showed me, teaching me how to work it. He's taught me how to, with his guidance.
You build your own 67 motor.
Yeah, a 67 motor we put together.
Transmission.
And we built he helped me build a transmission for this generator Chevrolet I had. And then this is actually my father's bike. My father lent it to me, but with my father, myself, and Billy put it together. And my dad wasn't able to go on the run, so he allowed me to go on the chase with it. So it's pretty cool.
That is awesome. And Billy, so do you do the work in your garage?
Yeah, it's my hobby. I have pretty well a machine shop. I do my own motor work, transmission work. I used to paint a lot. We got better painters than I am, but just assemble them. I do everything.
So you teach this kid a little something here and there?
What's that?
I said you've taught this kid, Chris, a little something
Yeah,
here
that's
and
what
there.
I'm teaching him. He did help him do his motor, teach him how to true the flywheels, set the main bearings up.
Yeah, it's really like a mentorship in a way. I mean, it's not that
He's got
formal.
the interest, so I ain't getting no younger, so I might as well teach somebody that's interested in it. So
That's awesome. It's truly a garage build, right?
Yeah.
And I think you saw more of
his
this.
dad's an excellent mechanic too. So
You're getting it from two places then.
Yeah.
Well, it's so cool, passing on the tradition. Is that what you
There
feel
you
like?
go.
Happening?
That's what I feel like. Yeah, that's definitely how I feel.
Cool. Maybe you'll have kids and do the same thing.
Yeah, and actually, I have my first child. I'm 38. I've had my first child in December, so that's getting weird. So I may not be on the chase for a few years.
But you know what? Maybe it's not your child. Maybe it's the kid next door that sees you
Yeah.
getting on this knuckle
Yeah.
that in 20 years says, hey, Chris,
yeah.
can you give me a hand?
Hell
Right?
yeah. Hell yeah.
And a lot of memories being made here and a lot of people being met, I imagine.
Yeah. Yeah.
I met so many cool people here because we all got the same interest. It makes it even neater when we're riding, and it's kind of an endurance type thing. It's
man,
everybody's got problems. So everybody helps each other.
Well, it attracted me the way you were helping Chris with this and kind of coaching. You weren't doing it, but you're kind of giving
Plus,
some
I got to
suggestions.
help him because his dad's going to be mad at me, not him.
There you go. Keep that bike running.
Why weren't you there?
Well, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the road tomorrow. And I really love coming across you because you both look so happy. I love taking your pictures.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Okay, we'll check back tomorrow. Well, who knows where we'll be tomorrow, but we'll try it again tomorrow. Thank you. Back to work, guys.